Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James, aka Wisma, and karibu sana to my kitchen. I hope you had a fantastic holiday and ready for the year 2023. This is my very first video in this year. Personally, I'm all good and ready to create more content this year consistently. Every Wednesday, be on the lookout. New video, new recipe, healthy living will be going up every Wednesday 6 p.m. UK time. And without further ado, let's jump into cooking nutritious meal prep. To be precise, we are making breakfast for the week. I have 6 eggs with me, actually 7. And I'm just going to put them in the pot, add the cold water, salt, cover and let it boil for like 15-20 minutes because I like my eggs well cooked and hard. You know the way you mayai you pata it alafu ikona hizo the yellow thing, it's not well cooked, it's not hard, I don't like it. So I like it when it is hard and well cooked. And as we wait for the eggs to be ready, I'm just going to prepare my vitamin C. You know how important it is to have this in the morning. To my oranges cut in my containers. Now that we have all this said, it is time to prepare our salad. Those of you that have been following me for a while, you know how I love this salad. You can watch a detailed video, link I'll put on my description box. If you have reached to this far, type yes. And if you like this type of content and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and put notification on so that every time I upload a new video, utakuwa unajua. Our salad is ready. Let's add to our container. I love how my containers, or ukipenda lunchbox, are sections or divided so that you are able to tell what you are eating less and if you are having a balanced diet. If you like them, I will put the link as well on the description box and you can purchase using my code on Amazon. The water, put them in iced water for a few minutes, and then we will remove the shell, put them in containers whole, and you can cut them if you prefer them but for me, I prefer putting them in the fridge as whole, because there's somehow there's a different taste when you put them in the fridge and then you remove them to eat. It has a different, that is me, but you can cut them if you like them cut and to see the yellow thing when you're doing it. Yeah. So and just like that, my breakfast for the week is ready. Delicious, nutritious and healthy breakfast. Kgs in 3 months. If you've been following me on Instagram, I did a post on how I lost 7 kgs in 3 months, and now I am ready to lose 15 kgs. So if you're just like me and you want to lose some kgs, stay tuned, because the next week I'll be sharing a lunch meal prep, and it's gonna be healthy, it's gonna be amazing and easy to make. So stay tuned on Wednesday 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and to my returning subscribers, I love you and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.